This is why your grandmother's attic is actually a treasure room. This 2007 laptop is a Toshiba Satellite Pro that happens to have a lock on it, so it's really hard to actually do stuff. The laptop claims to run Windows Vista, an Intel Centrino, and such an Energy Star. Yeah, for your information, it's just straight up missing a battery, so it has to run solely off of power. Now, for some reason, this computer is running Windows XP, so today I'm going to reinstall its native operating system and do a fresh install of Windows Vista. Listen, I know the quality of this video sucks right now because I have to move my camera around and everything, but trust me, it's going to get better, okay? Hello everyone, this is what I believe to be 2007 Toshiba laptop. Claims to be running Windows Vista, but it's actually running XP. Let's turn it on. So better hear these amazing speakers. Aren't those the best speakers you've heard in your life? Okay. So, as you can see, there's an absolute ton of programs installed on this computer already. And I don't know why that is. So, first, I just need to check the computer. I'm going to go my computer. XP. So it doesn't say 64-bit. Okay, for your information, I'm forced to use the guest account on this computer because no one knows the admin account's, name. I'm going to try to run command prompt to create a new admin account, and I don't know if it's going to work or not. Also, this dog was the best thing ever in, any Windows version. It's so cute. Okay, other part of the file name, CD, and right here. Run as, then, okay, so now, access tonight, so this is going to take a really long time. I'm pretty sure that I did it this time. I think I did it this time. Okay. Oh, come on, yes. Oh my gosh. This is mess. Okay. You have an industry account, so 6. Control panel. I did this with hand prompt. Try to issue with command prompt. Take user. Okay, let's go to control panel. Doesn't matter. Okay. Create a new account. Let's just do XP and then next. Administrator account. Yes, yeah, it does now. Okay. We should be able to restart everything fine. Restart. Personalized settings. Browser customization is yeah, this is probably running slower. I can see no versions of Windows, but a lot of things work, but so I'm gonna create a new account. You can have the new version, but it's taking forever to create an account. It's just a bit faster than it's used. Okay. I just started editing the video now because I edit things in advance, but right here, I just spent absolutely forever putting this Windows Vista x86 on this USB thumb drive, which took forever because I had to download Vista, then use Rufus to do everything, you know. So I'm going to plug this in to somewhere. I'm going to plug it in right here. Probably can't see it. It's going to get picked up. But let's turn it on, and when it asks where I want to boot. Okay. I think this is it. I think this is it. USB memory. Let's put this down. Okay. Pretty sure it's USB memory. Yes! Windows is loading files. You've done it. It's probably the biggest computer project that I've done yet. In fact, probably the first, like, actual computer project that I've done. Let me move this closer to the camera, because I can't zoom in on this mode, can I? No, I don't think so. Okay. This is, no. Woo! That's my drivers and everything. I've got things to do on not exactly lay down that PC screen. Okay. Not in the US. Okay. Next. Install now. Okay, this might take longer than I have, but this is why VirtualBox is useful, or VMware, whatever you use, but I use VirtualBox because it works on my computer better. When I practice with, like, installing Vista and 7 and all this stuff, that's why I know this stuff. Okay. Product key. I have to look for the product key on the bottom of this. Okay, everyone, after absolutely forever of looking at a dirty product key, I've finally been able to get a Windows Vista Home Premium product key to work on here. So, I'm going to do this on here. Hold on. You know what I really can't wait for? Installing drivers. I know it's really hard to find drivers for Vista, so...
One eternity later.
Okay, so Windows is almost done installing. It's finished doing, like, its first restart and everything, but it's just in the completing installation phase right now. So you can see the mouse cursor is updated to the Vista cursor and everything. But yeah. Okay, we've made it to the OOBE. So just make the name John as a... Actually, no. I'm just gonna make it. Because I use John on all my VMs. Okay. And then for this, sorry that I don't have my tripod up right now, but next, PC. Let's do this wallpaper. I think that's nice. Next, use recommended settings. US and Canada. Thank you, so start. And it's going to do the Windows Experience Index, so we'll go through that. Okay, just play the startup sound. So it's preparing my desktop for Windows Vista Home Premium. Okay, Vista has logged on. So not a single driver is installed on this, and the start menu goes up to the ceiling. Yeah, the computer pretty much doesn't have any proper, like, display settings or anything. These are the highest settings resolution that it'll get without drivers. And I don't know how to install drivers yet, which is kind of an issue, so I'm gonna need to figure out how to install drivers. And maybe, like, if I were lucky, it would come with some drivers or something, but I doubt it. Doesn't look like it now. It's like 12 a.m. random added on Keynote. It's absolutely impossible to find drivers for this thing. It's been 3 days since that last part that you've seen on this video was filmed, and I still can't find a single driver for this, what is it? Toshiba L350, I think? Yeah. can't find the drivers. Okay, just another thing that I want to mention real quick. That last part that you saw there was filmed on Wednesday, and it's like pretty much 12 a.m. Saturday right now. That kind of tells you just how long it's been. Searching for drivers, having a messed up product key activation thanks to accidentally setting it to 2008. Now I have to pay money to buy a Windows Vista product key. All this stuff. So while I still may be on the hunt for drivers, I did find Vista Service Pack 1 and Service Pack 2 using this thumb drive to transfer everything. So I'm just going to install Service Pack 1 and then I'm going to install Service Pack 2. Now, I kind of feel very, fooled because there was actually a Service Pack 1 ISO online that I could have used instead of the Vista RTM. But, so Service Pack 1 will hopefully let me stop the annoying user account control that comes up every time I try to install a driver. But, yeah, other than that, it'll also make a gateway for me to open Service Pack 2, so that'll be nice. Service Pack 1, almost done. Installing Service Pack Stage 1 of 3, 33% complete. Do not turn off the computer. Okay, it's restarting, Ignore the fact that this is in square format. I'm filming this from QuickTake on my iPhone. Need OS system. Windows Vista Service Pack 1 when I log in. Today, everyone's worried about this. Not necessarily that. Basically everything. Oh my gosh, it's still installing. Okay, Vista Service Pack 1 just installed. Still no drivers installed, but Vista Service Pack 1 is installed, and let's just check WinVer real quick. Back hurts. Okay, WinVer. Vista Home Premium. Doesn't. Ow. Okay. Build 6001. Service Pack 1. There. Now Service Pack 2. It's gonna take a while to load, but look at these. This one. Yeah, it's nice. This feels nice. Yeah, it's actually, sure. And I just realized Vista 6002 is used as default wallpapers for all the views. Maybe I'll open that one. See that's part 1. Service Pack 2. License terms.
1 hour later.
Okay, so after absolutely forever, I finally found some drivers that'll actually work with this computer. Because all the other drivers have not worked at all, so I think I got a display driver, a network driver. Let's install the Intel first. So much for I found some drivers that actually work. So in terms of this computer, nothing is going to plan. We've been trying to get drivers on it forever, and nothing is working. So far on that drive that we have, I don't know why I keep saying we, but USB drive F, we've got this driver easy setup, and this. Both of these came from a broken Toshiba website, which I'll show you in a second, and neither of them work. And I've been doing this for 2 months. That's how long this video has been taking to make. Oh my god. So right here, back on my main computer, we've got, going to search for these drivers, so Toshiba satellite LV50 drivers, so which, if you don't know, Toshiba rebranded to Dynabook. I don't know why, but they did. So we're on the website, and you can see Dynabook, formerly Toshiba PC Company. And if I select our model, our serial number, and Windows Vista, then you see drivers and updates. You know, like, oh look, we have actually found all the stuff that we need. So if I go down and say, let's look for graphics drivers, and then scroll back up right here, Intel Display Driver for Windows Vista. So if I click on that, it's not even bothering trying to load the page. I don't even think that that's the internet. I just think that it's this Dynabook website. The whole thing's broken. It's broken. And I've gotten this to work a couple of times. Just clicking on the link even is really hard to get to work. And yeah, if you click on the download link, then it's just literally going to come up with a big thing saying error 404. The file something.exe was not found on our server. So I've looked up those .exe files, which I put on this thumb drive, and not even those work. They just don't. It's painful. And the thing is that I can't even download them directly to this because this thing doesn't have a network driver. So, I get that issue, and I can't. I just can't get things. And then what's even worse is that I have to clear the drivers off of this drive while it's plugged in to the Toshiba, because when I plug it back into here, it tries installing all the drivers automatically, and I can't get it to stop. And I don't want those drivers on my main computer. So, this is the pain.